One definition of dragon dreaming is love in action. What does love mean? Love means is that you take responsibility for yourself and that you take responsibility for your commitment, for your personal growth. That's what we work out. Create a structure, create a supportive culture that each individual can really take the step into his journey to live his full potential. Becoming self-responsible, because it's just you that can go your path. The process of the workshop starts first day getting all the theory behind dragon dreaming. Getting in touch with this new culture which is inspired by the ancient wisdoms, which is different. Then we start diving into what does a win-win culture look like? How does a culture look like which supports each other to be authentic? And how to handle with the conflicts that come out of that. And with that, we can start to dive into the project designing process, which means that we first start to dream. And we call it dream because a dream is big enough that everybody can express himself fully. And we collect the dream, everything what is there, so that really everything can be shared. And there's just one rule for the dream, and that's no compromise. So the more authentic you are, the more authentic your project and your results will be.
I would like to have a tool that I can use later on for work with my clients. Most of the times I really feel that when I do work with organizations, it's kind of hard for them to sort of like come from the visioning to the planning and then later on to the actual action. And I feel, well, I actually hope that Dragon Dreaming will be the tool that can help me structurize this.
I see how the process of Dragon Dreaming would really have a synergy with my business acceleration program, and we can put the two together to really help me be more effective, because my deficiency definitely is in planning and managing things.
My maximum outcome would be to have a good feeling and be confident in using the tools that we learn here for community projects integrated in for my own work as a yoga teacher or as a designer. I really want to help the group to go through a good process, so step one, step away from your ego and your whole blah 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 thing in your head and just be part of the process. And I think that's something that Dragon Dreaming is implementing really well.
After the dreaming, we start to distill the dream, and we become very concrete. Which are the next goals that needs to be achieved? find a common tone, and then you are sync, and then out of the synchronization you thought this task. And how many time do we need for this? We start to work with the timeline. And then you have here 5 months, 1 week. And give a clear timeline. 2 weeks. And out of the goals, we are focused on the one goal. Realizing this one goal, this overall goal for the next 3 to 6 months will help all the other objectives and all the other goals and tasks and dreams to be done and to be realized. And having this one goal, we start to develop and design a project landscape, which we call Karabir, which is a word from the Aboriginal from Australia, and which means spider net.
1,500 for content business plan.
I will do this. 2 weeks. I know that's
Can we do 2,000?
Yeah,
20,000.
So we create this net where we can see the communication lines, where at the end we can see all the tasks that need to be done so that we can achieve our goal, where we work out all the groups, all the resources, all the time schedules that we need to realize the project. The uniqueness of Dragon Dreaming for me is that it bridges worlds between taking time to sense, to share values, to create a community, being patient, and at the same time being fast, quick, creating professional and sustainable solutions to achieve your goals.